Me and my husband, along with the kids, love to travel and explore hidden places. Since the pandemic has started, we have been taking our kids out, close to the nature but away from the crowd. We make sure that the kids get more time being active and less time sitting still. So, here is a small, fun weekend vlog for you guys. Keep watching. So, this was a Saturday, and we left at about 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. We just wanted the kids to have a good time, get out of the house, and get some physical exercise. This place is in Navi Mumbai, Ulve, and is very close to our home. So my husband was just driving around, and at one point we thought that the road is blocked ahead. So he got out of the car to just explore the road, and once we got a green signal from him, we got in the car and started to drive ahead. It was a 10 minutes drive till we could take the car ahead because the roads were not that great, and at one point we had to park the car and walk ahead because it was really sunny and we needed a shade to sit and relax.
नहीं नहीं ठीक है.
And we found the perfect spot to lay the mats while the kids were busy exploring the nature. इसने तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखा. We even tried to include some fun teaching here.
Less than 10.
11.
Less than 10. Less than.
There were so many dragonflies here all around, and they were such a beauty to watch. It was a very lazy, chilled out Saturday for the adults, while the kids were on their toes exploring the leaves, the colors around. We spent about 3.5 to 4 hours here just looking at the sunset. And while it was getting darker, we had to head back because the roads, like you saw, were not that great. So this is how we often spend our weekends, just chilling with the family and kids and exploring the nearby places. But please make sure that you're away from the crowd, maintaining social distance and taking proper precautions while you're out. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video to support the channel. See you in my next video. Bye.